welcome to the yet another session on the mocktail. We can make also cocktail also, but as we are into the institution, so we are going to prepare a mocktail, a very popular cocktail I would say, and it has got a variation of the mocktail. So we are going to prepare a mocktail known as margarita. Margarita is a very famous cocktail and it was invented in the 19th century. It can be made in different process. It could be the blended, which could be served in a frozen form, or it could be served second, and which is served in the margarita glass. The glass that we use to serve the margarita is a margarita glass. This glass was invented for the drink margarita. Now couple ingredients that is required to prepare this margarita drinks are, we need a frosted glass. It means we need to have a salted frosted glass. For that we need a rimmer. In case you don't have rimmer, what you can do is that you can have in one plate the salt, and you need half of the lemon. So I am going to teach you how to do the rimming of the glass and how to prepare the drinks. Let me open it. Okay, now if you look at this, it has got 3 chambers. Okay, the top one has got a sponge. Now what we do is basically we wet this sponge by adding the lemon juice into it, so it becomes wet in nature. Then we have a salt on one chamber, and in the one chamber we will have a castor sugar. So here for making a margarita, first of all what we have to do is that we have to rim the glass. How do we rim the glass? We have to wet the lip of the rim of the glass. For giving a wet to the rim of the glass, we put the glass upside down with the lip of the glass towards the wet part of the rimmer. Once it is being, now you can see that it is little wet. Then after that what I am going to do is that I am going to put the glass upside down into the salt rimmer, and I need to rotate it evenly so that it has got evenly coating on the glass. Now once it is being coated, I need to do like this. So whatever the extra salt that is there in the glass will go back to the rimmer. So if you see out here, now this is perfect one, I would say. This is how the rimmer should be. So once the rimmer is ready, now the other ingredients I am going to close it because we have lesser space out here. The other thing that we require for preparing the drinks is an ice, which is very important for any of the mocktails or cocktail. We need a shaker because we are using a shaking method out here. So here what we need is a cocktail shaker or a Boston shaker or makers. This is a very famous Boston shaker. It has 2 glasses which gets attached to each other like this. Okay, so we need this, we need ice, we need lemon juice, very important for making of the mocktails. We need orange juice. Ideally when we make a margarita, which could be which is basically a cocktail base, for that we need triple sec. Okay, and we need sugar syrup to prepare the drinks. Now let's start the process. The process is very simple. The first thing that we are going to do is that we are going to add the ice for preparing the margarita, virgin margarita mocktail. I have a little small pieces, generally 4 to 5 cubes of ice. We place it in the cocktail shaker. This is a Boston shaker. So once we add the ice into it, let me add the ice into it so it becomes chilled. We generally use the hard ice for preparing the drinks. So once it is being done, let's close it so that the ice does not melt. Now after that what we are going to do is that we are going to use the peg measure for measuring the ingredients. Very important. Without measuring the ingredient, it becomes very difficult to prepare the drinks again and again of the same standard. So the first thing that we need is a 45 ml of orange juice for preparing a virgin margarita. This is 60 ml, so I am going to add this much amount, around 45 ml of orange juice into it. I need to clean it because once it is being cleaned, then I am going to add 30 ml of what we call it, sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. And then we need 15 ml of lemon juice. This is a freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, 15 ml we have taken, we added into it. Now what we will do after that is that we are going to shake it. For shaking we need to close the glass. This is a Boston shaker. We need to hold the glass like this, okay, from bottom, and with your index finger at the bottom, and you need to shake it vigorously like this. Make it fast, very snappy action, but don't take too much of time, otherwise the ice might melt and reduce the quality of the drink. It creates a vacuum because when you shake it, let me have the strainer. Here we are going to use the strainer. This is known as a Hawthorne strainer. It is a technical name for the bar equipment. So we have to keep the strainer like this, hold it like this, and pour the drink like this. Okay. Now see, the perfect quantity for preparing a drink. So once it is being done, we need to put a garnish. Now the garnish out here is a lemon slice. Okay, so we basically slit the lemon from one side and we place it on the rim of the glass, and this is how your margarita, frozen, this shake up margarita is ready. Enjoy.